Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Double Bear Show. And today, we will have an unleashing of kit. Yeah, and this is so big. And this is a premium Bandai. And before I will open this one, I would like to give thanks to Sir JP Nopia. So I'm watching here because I have here the messenger, which I can see the name of Sir JP. Sir JP Nopia, thank you so much for dealing this premium Bandai on me. Also, thank you Sir Ryan the Gendalisleta, because before I will go to Sir JP Nopia's deal, I have first the deal from Sir Ryan. But yeah, there are some circumstances on his friend that caused the cancellation of the deal for this kit. So yeah, he told me that I'll just continue the deal on Sir JP. And yeah, Sir JP, thank you so much. Very easy and smooth transaction. And yeah, I'm really hoping to have more kits from you, especially premium Bandais. Yeah, so that without further ado, let's open this one. And because this is premium Bandai, it's a little bit pricey. Yep, it's pricey, but it really completes my collection for Code Geass. Yeah, I already have a premium Bandai. Yeah, as I know, the Lancelot, the first Code Geass release, is a premium Bandai in US, but a special. It's a just I think it's what you call that, a normal release here in Asia. And then another one is the Satan. I forgot the name of that kit. Where are you? I know you are here on my backlogs. I don't know what part is that, but yeah, I know. Yeah, that's the Lancelot. Where are you? Yeah, it's upper part. Yeah, I don't see it anymore. But yeah, it's on my back. It's the Satan. I forgot the name. Yeah, so they are the rivals, then become friends at the end part. And then this is the unit of our protagonist. It's the anti-hero Lelouch. Yeah, Lelouch Lamperouge Vibritania. Yeah. So we keep on talking on the series, but yeah, I think we should open this. And yeah, let's go. Let's unleash this with the use of my rusty but still trusted Hobby Knife. Let's go. Let's unleash this one. Let's go. Okay, so we have here your this is your Code Geass Lelouch of the Rebellion 1:35 Gawain. Yeah, as I know this is called Gawain, and yeah, some my tongue twisted. Some call them as Gawain, but for me it's Gawain because it's, I don't know if it's Japanese, but yeah, for me it's Gawain Code Geass Lelouch of the Rebellion Gawain 1:35 model kit. And wow, man, this is very, very nice. Whew, the box, it's so big. It completes now the three, it's not the protagonist, but yeah, the three major characters. Yeah, we can call them as major characters. This is the Lelouch unit. Yeah, as you can see, there is Lelouch right there, the main protagonist, man. And Lelouch is an anti-hero. And yeah, wow, it's like Anubis of the Egyptian gods. Yeah, it's really like Anubis. And yeah, you can see there are two kinds of cannons at the side, on the shoulder. Then some of that, wow, that really nice green touch at its backpack. Wow, very nice. As I know, this is called Nightmares. They're called Nightmares on the Code Geass. Yeah, Code Geass, Lelouch of Rebellion, and this Gawain is, I think, on the second season. It's the Code Geass Lelouch of Rebellion R2. Yeah, and wow, very big, man. I want to open a little bit. I really want to see the kit. Wow, the black is like piano black, man. That's very nice. The gold, a little bit disappointed for the gold. It's in gold injection, and there are some flow major kind of flow defect. Yeah, but yeah, it's only wow. And that gem type of sticker, nice also. But yeah, it's nice. I know if I will build this, it will be very, very nice. It will not disappoint me. But it's very expensive for a 1:35, and but this kit is more cheaper than when I buy that Satan. I don't know. I forgot the name. Yeah, but yeah. Originally, this Gawain is only 2,000 pesos on the Premium Bandai shop on Shopee. But I bought this, and it's a good deal already because I bought this from Sir JP Nopia for 3,000 pesos, including with the shipping fee. It's 147 pesos. So it's 3,147. Yeah, and it's great deal already because some sellers on Shopee, they sell this for 4,500 to 5,000 pesos already. So yeah, that's a little bit higher. Not just a little bit, but very, very high. It goes 100 to 120% of the original price. So yeah, having this for 3,147, it's nice. It's a good deal already. And yeah, very nice. And it will complete my Code Geass collection of the 3 major characters. Wow, very, very nice, man. It will have its own space here because I'm planning to get out of these backlags at my back because I will change that more of my builds because my builds are on that side. One shelf here and then another shelf here. But yeah, I'll try that I will have the shelves right here at my back than my backlogs because it just really keeps on piling. And yeah, I don't know if they will fit on this side. I don't know, but yeah, I think we will have a makeover for them. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell to be informed for our next video. And same as usual, this kit will have a speed build, a quick look, and an unboxing, a speed build, a quick look, and a full review of this kit next time. Alright, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gunpla Show signing off. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. And Sir JP Nopia, thank you so much for the deal. And Sir Ryan, thank you so much for the transferring me to Sir JP for this deal. That's it. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gunpla Show signing off. So, if you reach this part of my video, please comment down there below #Jake the Gunpla Reviewer and get the chance to be shout out on our next video. Okay, that's it. Thank you and peace out.